Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss a unique indicator known as the free MA cross with Alert MTF indicator. Now I know the name is quite long, but fear not, it's quite an easy indicator to use. All right, I'm going to write the name of the indicator right here on the chart so that you can see it clearly. Okay, so it is the 3MA cross with Alert MTF indicator. Now, the name just tries to describe what the indicator does. All right, it's a multi-time frame indicator that gives alerts, and it has a 3MA cross. So basically, the name just explains in a summary what the indicator does. So I'm going to add the indicator to the chart right away. And as we can see, this is what the indicator looks like. So like I said, the name was just describing the indicator's features, right? It's an indicator made up of 3 moving averages, and it gives signals with crossover signals, right? It gives crossover signals and it gives alert, and it's a multi-time frame indicator. So basically that is what the name was trying to describe. Okay, so now, as you can see, the indicator is straightforward, very straightforward. It has 3 moving averages, the red, the green, and the blue, okay? Different periods, all right? As we can see, the blue moving average is the one with the shortest period. The green moving average, let us move, check the settings. We could possibly see that. You can see we have 10, we have 20, and we have 40. So we have the 10 moving average, we have the 20 moving average, and we have the 40 moving average. You can see that 20, 10, and 40. So the 10 EMA is going to likely be the blue because it is the fastest, as we can see. So the 10 EMA being the blue line crosses above the 20 EMA being the green line, which cross above the red EMA being the 40 EMA. Whenever these 3 crosses happen, the blue cross above the red, the blue cross above the green, and both the blue and green cross above the red, then you have a verified buy signal. I call it a verified buy signal because the crossover has been completed. So instead of just waiting for only the blue to cross above the green, you actually should wait for the complete crossovers to the upside before you enter your buy signal. So ensure that when you want to enter a buy trade, the blue line is above the green and the green is above the red. All right, then you have a buy trend. When you enter your trade, you can ride it till the end if you are a day trader or swing trader, right? But if you are a scalper, you can actually decide to use the curving, not necessarily the crossovers, but rather the curving of the blue line, which is the shortest moving average in this indicator. The curving of the blue line, you can use it to exit your trade, and then you wait for another opportunity and enter another. But that is if you are a scalper, right? For example, if you had entered a buy trade here and you notice the blue line begins to curve down, you exit your buy. You can either decide to enter a sell and immediately exit once you notice the blue line curving up, or you can just wait for the blue line to get to the green and point up and you enter another buy. So depending on how you decide to scalp, whether you are scalping only impulse moves or whether you are scalping both impulse and corrective moves, okay? But as for a swing trader, once you have noticed the bullish crossovers, just enter a buy trade and wait for the price to get to resistance zones before you exit your buy, or you can decide to wait for a crossovers back to the downside, a bearish crossover basically, and then you use that to exit your buy trade. Now that is for the crossovers. The indicator also gives arrows for precise signals, right? Precise entry points. For example, at the time when we had this crossover, you can see that there was a blue arrow and a diamond, a blue diamond, shape appear together with the arrow. So that was just an additional entry signal. It's like an additional entry signal for your buy. Okay, And then you can see that when the red arrow appeared alongside a dark kind of a red diamond as well, that was a signal for a sell. Okay, so you can use your exit, you can use the appearance of the red arrows and diamond as exit signal for your buy trade, and you can use the appearance of the blue arrows and diamond as exit signal for your sell trade. Okay, you can actually decide to do that, or you can also make use of other indicators, actually any other indicator of your choice, to confirm your exits and also to confirm your entries. Okay, it's important to always get confirmations for your trades, whether you are a scalper, a day trader, or swing trader. Getting confirmations are very important. All right, so this indicator is very straightforward. So far, any kind of trader can make use of this indicator. Okay, just a very quick recap. Look out for bullish crossovers. Ensure that the blue line has crossed above the green and red, and the green line has crossed above the red before you enter a buy trade. And just for additional confirmation, wait for the blue arrows and diamond to form. And then before you exit, make sure you wait for the blue moving average to cross below the green. All right, if you want added confirmation, you can wait for both the green and blue to cross below the red, but that is going to result in you giving back significant profits to the market, because it will take some time before the blue and green cross below the red. So if you just exit when the blue cross below the green, at least you're going to save some profits. Okay, and then additional exit signal is when the red diamond and arrow forms. That is for a buy, right? And then for a sell, ensure that you wait for both the blue and green MAs to cross below the red, and then after that you exit, you enter, you sell after you have found the red arrow and diamond appear. And for your exit, you can decide to wait for a blue arrow and diamond to appear, or you can decide to wait for the blue line to cross above the green, and you use that to exit your sell trade. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Ensure to always get confirmations. I need to emphasize on that. Okay, and do not trade with an amount that you can't afford to lose. Make sure that you do not risk more than 2% of your account balance in a single trade. All right, it is not advisable to do that. Also, employ good risk to reward ratios. I recommend a minimum of 1:2. If you are risking $1, your potential profit target should be at $2. Okay, that's a good risk to reward ratio. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you found this video insightful. Kindly like and subscribe for more trading insights, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on more trading videos like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching and happy trading.